Are you being annoyed by the Win Eventing Provider Library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. Before the technical guide for Win Eventing Provider Library, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the Win Eventing Provider Library, a foundational eventing provider API Set Shim. It redirects localized event logging calls from modern software to the core Windows event tracing kernel, mandatory for performance monitoring and localized system logging in modern 64-bit applications. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This is a critical Windows system integrity issue. You should run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and executing sfc/scan now, allowing Windows to automatically repair core architecture files like Win Eventing Provider Library DLL. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Win Eventing Provider Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Be aware that manual fixes for Win Eventing Provider Library DLL often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. The link below references a resource for reviewing workstation health and Win Eventing Provider Library synchronization. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Win Eventing Provider Library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.